Hello and welcome. My name is Dave Henderson. I'm an Associate Professor of Accounting here at the University of Mary Washington. In this short video, I'm going to be talking to you about a course that I teach, Microsoft Excel. I graduated from Mary Washington College with a bachelor's degree in economics and business back in 1995. I have a master's degree in information systems from George Washington University and a PhD in accounting from Virginia Tech. I'm currently an associate professor of accounting at UMW, where I teach accounting information systems, principles of accounting, accounting for decision making and control, and also data analytics for accounting. My accounting information systems course is focused on using Excel to solve accounting problems, and I have extensive experience using Microsoft Excel. These are some pics of my family. This is my wife, this is my daughter. These are my two dogs, Chloe and Minnie. In terms of what you'll be learning in this course, we'll talk about the overview and purpose of Excel. We'll talk about some Excel basics such as formatting data, entering formulas, and going over some commonly used formulas such as sum and average. We'll also be talking about how to freeze the panes, printing options, documenting workbooks. We'll also go into conditional logic in Excel, talking about relational operators such as greater than, less than, equal to. We'll talk about conditional formatting and the if function. We'll also talk about text and lookup functions such as VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs, index match, and then text to columns. We'll do some Excel charts. We'll talk about commonly used charts, when to use certain charts in Excel, and how to create and modify and enhance charts in Microsoft Excel. We'll also talk about pivot tables, and pivot tables are very important. They're used quite frequently in industry. We'll talk about creating pivot tables and enhancing pivot tables. And we'll also talk about the get pivot function. And then we'll start rounding off the course by talking about Excel shortcuts and best practices. In terms of how you will apply Excel, you're going to be talking about how to use Excel to clean data for further analysis, which is something that's very important. And you'll also be learning how to use Excel for personal finance. So during the course, for example, we will build a mortgage application worksheet that helps you estimate your payment, your monthly payment for a mortgage, and also what would happen if you paid an additional $50 per month, for example. And we'll also create a budget in Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions about the course and you'd like to learn more, please contact me. This is my email, dhender3@umw. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much.